To create a zip file on a laptop, particularly in Windows 11, is a straightforward process. First, locate the file or folder you wish to convert into a zip file. If you want to make a zip file of a folder, right-click on the selected folder and choose Compressed, Zipped folder. You will then have the option to name the zip file. And once you press Enter, the zip file will be created. The contents of the original folder will be contained within the zip file. Alternatively, if you want to create a zip file of a single file, right-click on the file and select Compressed, Zipped folder. This will create a zip file containing the chosen file, allowing you to rename it as desired. Upon opening the zip file, you will find the original file inside. This method provides an easy way to create zip files, whether for folders or individual files. In Windows 11,